Welcome to Milmitra, the digital dose of every mill. The journey starts with a simple and secure login. Each user gets apna unique ID and password, ensuring role-based or secure access. Whether you are the mill owner, operator, or a field executive, your personalized dashboard is just एक click away. यहाँ से शुरू होता है एक seamless experience designed specially for mill operations. When the purchase team logs into the Milmitra mobile app, they immediately see a consolidated view of all sawdas. No need for multiple registers or scattered spreadsheets. सारी information एक ही screen पर. The app also displays state-wise sawda prices, giving the team clear visibility of market rates across regions. This ensures faster decision-making, price comparison at a glance, and complete control over purchase operations. To create a new sawda, the user has two options, direct or network. Let's start with direct method. Here the purchase team select the direct option, choose the preferred broker and fills the sawda booking form with all necessary details. Once they click commit, the system instantly generates a purchase order, bilkul without delay or paperwork. For purchase head, Milmitra provides a complete overview of all past sawdas, neatly organized and easy to track. Along with this, they can also see real-time updates on the truck arrivals at the mill. No more follow-up calls, no manual chasing. सारी information एक ही screen पर available. Once the सौदा and purchase steps are complete, we move to the unloading process, जो शुरू होता है जैसे ही ट्रक मिल के गेट पर आता है. Here the user simply searches for the broker और system तुरंत दिखा देता है सारे सौदाज linked to the broker. From here, the team selects the सौदा to be processed, enters truck and material details और एक क्लिक में truck entry process complete हो जाता है. Once the truck entry is completed, the next step moves to the lab technician for quality check. As you can see, QC happens in two stages. Pehla, at the time of truck entry, and दूसरा during the unloading process. The lab technician fills out a simple QC form, updating all key parameters and quality details. ये सारी information system के अंदर directly capture होती है and gets automatically attached to the representative truck entry. The best part, these QC details are visible at organization level, giving complete transparency and accountability across the mill. Once QC1 at truck entry is completed, the process moves forward to QC2, which takes place during the unloading. ये double check process ensures accuracy और eliminate करता है manual errors. Both QC1 and QC2 reports are automatically linked to the truck entry, giving the organization full traceability from gate to unloading. If there is a deviation, for example, the gehu quality doesn't match the expected standards, Milmitra automatically raises a claim in the system. This claim is instantly tagged to the SODA and the truck entry, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Department heads also has the flexibility to review and adjust the claims as needed, maintaining both control and transparency. इससे ensure होता है कि purchase और quality standard दोनों align रहेंगे, with zero manual disputing handling. Milmitra also empowers production team to record daily output with complete accuracy. They can log production by day shift, night shift, and even hour by hour. Details are captured product-wise, ensuring every category is properly tracked. Once the entries are made, the system automatically generates a consolidated production report, giving management a clear, real-time view of operations. No manual registration, no data gaps, बस एक integrated system for full production visibility. Similar to purchase process, the sales team in the mill can also create sales orders directly from the system. When the user logs in, they first see latest production price upfront. To generate sales order, the team has two options, direct or network. In the direct option, they can choose between XMIL or FOR depending on the delivery type. After that, the team simply completes the customer detail form and with one click, the system generates a sales order. इसके अलावा सिस्टम में आपको मिलता है स्टोर मैनेजमेंट मॉड्यूल. Here, the store manager can easily track complete inventory, product-wise, quality-wise, and movement-wise. All inward and outward entries are managed directly in the system, removing the need for additional khatas and manual registers. And the result, clear visibility, accurate stock records, or an organized store operation. With Milmitra, the office team also gets access to a full powerful admin portal. Here, all operations performed on the mobile app seamlessly flow on one single system. The team can view, access, and verify every detail from purchase to sales, production to dispatch. The admin portal covers all departments along with complete reports and analytics. System is fully integrated with Tele and WhatsApp, making accounting and communication effortless. And for the leadership, there is one view owner's dashboard, giving complete visibility of entire mill at a glance. Simple, connected, or future ready.